Look at that. That is just a great sight for giving some motivation. Right guys, so for those of you wondering why the heck I've got hold of yet another M111 engine, well, this is an M111 Evo engine and it was kindly donated to us by Casey at Boostworks. So please share the love, go and check out his channel, subscribe, check out his awesome 190 build. It is a supercharged and turbocharged 190 with an M111 engine in it. So Casey kindly donated this engine because I've been speaking about actually doing a side-by-side comparison with the internals of one of these engines, what Mercedes improved and how the heads differ from the pre-evolution, pre-facelift versions. So what we have started on with our project is a pre-facelift M111, so the basic version. Right, so I'm just going to jump in here quickly guys and interrupt myself. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. It really helps the channel grow and I really appreciate you guys doing it. We're growing faster than we ever have done before. So keep it up guys. Thank you, and back to the video. With this version, there was a lot of differences. I believe a lightened rotating assembly light and rods, higher compression pistons, definitely better flowing ports. I think the valves were different as well. So what I would like to do ultimately, as well as do a side-by-side comparison teardown with this engine, is actually use this cylinder head on that project if it is possible. I've heard that it is possible. I think it would be great to be able to do that and have the better intake ports, be able to use this manifold, and it will just work better for me in general, I think. So that said, that's why this is here, and it's a big motivator for really cracking on with that project and getting moving and seeing it maybe run in 2025. I hope so. It's been going for too long. Yeah, it's been going for too long. Here's the block from the original engine. It's just sat on the floor feeling sorry for itself, but it's actually quite a clean block. So what I'm going to do is have that treated. So I'm going to have it honed, decked and paint it up, and we have the head on here just looking rather pretty, as it should be. Obviously BRJ Fabrications, big shout out for the powder coating on the valve cover and the turbo. So go and hit up Ben if you want any work like that doing. For those of you wondering where the M104 is, it is still on the engine stand over here. I haven't started working on it yet, purely because I've been trying to get the smart car knocked out before I get on with this. Now, obviously we've got a lot going on the channel and a little time to do it in, so I'm trying to fit things in and around without causing too much chaos within the workspace that I have. Obviously, as it already is, my bench is starting to get a little clustered, so I need to sort all that out, get a better storage system working, and get a bit more organised so that when I do take this engine apart, I have the space I need to work on it and not lose anything. I'm actually currently still working on the smart car. There's quite a lot of work to be done on this thing. I've still got the exhaust to finish up. I'm in the middle of the shock absorbers. I've got wheels, front suspension, and come on, God, that looks so good just sat there. I mean, it'd be great to put that in that. No, don't need any more work, but that does look good, gotta admit. So I also have these awesome looking little wheels for the smart car. They've got Alulet, I've probably slaughtered that, centre caps, but I believe these are Rondell wheels. I could be wrong, but I'm fairly confident that's what they are. So we've got 6.5J rears and 6J fronts, so that will really help traction on this car because, well, Mercedes did some fun things to get around certain issues with this car. One of them being failing the moose test, so they just made it understeer with tiny skinny front wheels instead of flipping itself over from traction. Right, so I hope you guys appreciate the little update. Obviously, it's not a fun-filled video, but I'm just trying to keep you guys informed with what I've got going on and show you guys that I am making progress in the background, beavering away, trying to get stuff done, so then I can bring you guys more content and more enjoyable content as we go forward into this year. So hopefully we should have a good year with some real good content incoming. So thank you for watching, thank you for sticking around, and the channel is growing faster than it ever has done before. So keep liking, keep sharing, I really appreciate it guys. See you in the next one.